Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your REALME 9i device. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because a free VPN doesn't protect your private data. Let's get started. At the beginning, we'll open the 2ip.io site. 2ip.io, and as you can see, we are in the Poland now. Now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Install it. And open. Press start now, choose the cross on the right top corner. Cool. Now just simply tap on the caret, wait a while, press always allow, and cool. Now in the control panel you will see this message that VPN successfully connected, and now go to 2ip.io and reload this page, and as you can see, I'm in Romania now. So that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.